How to claim your tax back when you become unemployed. The purpose of this video guide is to provide information on claiming an unemployment income tax repayment online in PAYE Services on your Revenue My account. 1. Accessing PAYE Services for claiming unemployment repayment. The Claim Unemployment Repayment for the current year service is accessed from PAYE Services in My account. The year defaults to the current year. PAYE taxpayers must first register for My account to use the service. Figure 1 shows this on PAYE Services card in My account. Making a claim for unemployment repayment. When you select Claim Unemployment Repayment for the current year and no blocking rules have been broken, you will be brought to the claim screen, which provides information on who can claim and when it can be claimed. You should check that your records are correct. If any updates are required, you should select Manage Your Tax for the current year. You will be shown an overview of your current year details and can make any necessary adjustments. For instance, declare non-PAYE income or claim additional tax credits. You can proceed when you confirm you have checked your record. Figure 3 here shows the unemployment repayment claim screen. Before I proceed to section 3, outlining the basis of the claim, can I just tell you within 20 seconds a little about myself and payroll matters in Ireland. I am a tax and a payroll professional at Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's leading payroll outsource provider for small businesses. Boyle Payroll Project Management, BPPM, has recently commenced processing or completing income tax returns, Form 12s, claiming tax credits, etc. for any PAYE taxpayers that wish to have someone complete them on their behalf. We at Payroll Matters in Ireland continue to encourage PAYE workers to look after their own tax affairs, and we have many helpful guides just like this one to assist them. We are aware that some taxpayers still wish to have someone do it for them, so feel free to pop me an email to info@bppm.ie. 3. Basis of the claim. You will be asked to confirm the reason for your repayment claim. You should confirm if the reason refers to unemployment or going abroad. Figure 5 here shows reason for unemployment repayment claim. 4. Unemployed. If a PAYE worker confirms they are unemployed, they will be asked if they intend to resume employment before the 31st of December of the current tax year. Figure 6. Intend to resume employment shows this. If yes is selected, you are asked to input or confirm your bank account details. You then need to sign and submit your claim. If no is selected, you are asked to confirm the reason for not returning to work. Options given are resuming education and other. If resuming education is selected, you will be asked to state the name of the school or college. If other is selected, you will be asked to provide a reason you are not returning to work. You are then asked to input or confirm your bank account details. You then need to sign and submit the claim. 5. Going abroad while unemployed. If a PAYE taxpayer confirms they are going abroad, they will be asked to confirm their intended departure date and if they are leaving the state permanently. Figure 7 shows the going abroad screen. If yes is selected, you are asked to input your bank account details. You then need to sign and submit the claim. If no is selected, you are asked to confirm the intended duration of your stay abroad and if you intend to work abroad. You are asked to confirm your bank account details. You then need to sign and submit your claim. 6. Acknowledgement of unemployment tax repayment claim. When a PAYE worker signs and submits an online unemployment repayment claim, they will receive confirmation that their claim has been received and will automatically be set to e-output if it is not already set. Figure 11 is an example of acknowledgement screen with confirmation of e-output. 7. Letters when a PAYE taxpayer's unemployment repayment claim is processed. A letter is automatically generated when a PAYE taxpayer's unemployment repayment claim is processed. The letter will be available in My Documents in all cases. If the taxpayer is not set for e-output, they will also get a paper letter. This video contains information provided courtesy of the Revenue Commissioners, licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International CC by 4.0 license. I hope the above helps clarify things. My final important message before I leave you for now is, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could save you hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. See you next time.